What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Jabulani Kumalo has been speaking of late, and he's been explaining, Jacob Zuma's behavior and how he deals with people. So, there is this issue of Jacob Zuma, when he doesn't agree with you, he doesn't tell you straightly, that he doesn't agree with you. He just tells you, like, okay, yeah, I hear what you're saying, but then you see him do something completely different. I mean, Jacob Zuma, uh, he's just deceitful sometimes. This is what, Jabulani Kumalo was talking about. And he was like saying, what, Duduzile Zuma's bad behavior is being caused by Jacob Zuma himself. So Jacob Zuma is not that guy, who's going to come out in the open and try to solve things or issues between between himself and another person. And it explains, why everybody he was within the past, is no longer with him today. And look at Floyd, somebody who joined him, but he has completely dropped him and is no longer working with him. It's because, he didn't agree with Floyd on certain issues. Instead of ironing out those issues with Floyd, he just decides to drop him just like that. So it's really sad, to see Jacob Zuma dealing with these people this way. You see so many people, have been leaving the EFF, but all those guys, they are nowhere to be seen. Well, Jacob Zuma has already used them, and what more can you want from them? Absolutely nothing. His mission now, that he's now looking at is to probably maybe unite with the ANC, because one thing that they don't want, or that they have said themselves, is that we have to rule, KZN, as in by having the premier, but they don't have that, so they're like in talks, to form a coalition with the ANC, and both of them, they have the numbers. And one of those people we're talking about, that is in Nhlanhla Ndlela. So yeah, that's what life is all about. It's all about moving forward. But the way Zuma drops people, it's just amazing. I'll catch you guys on the next.